Secret Tech Credit Union approves up to $100,000. Shh. Hey Money Magnets, in this video we're going to take a deep dive into one of the top credit unions in America. It's a soft pull for membership. Anyone can join and the cards go up to $100,000.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know what, Gloria? Also, some of the biggest companies in the world, Amazon and Google, their employees have accounts here. And this may be for the people in our audience that have a 9-to-5, but you've always wanted to start your own business. With these kind of limits, you're able to do it.
I know I'm coming. They know I'm coming.
Okay, Marvin, let's tell them. First Tech Credit Union, and also they're the official sponsors for the Trailblazers. You know how Marvin loved that basketball.
Well, look, let's get into these products. Let's jump over to the computer so I can tell you more about First Tech. All right, let's start talking about First Tech Credit Union MasterCard. If you're trying to build credit and you have issues with your credit, you can start off with the Credit Builder. The First Tech Platinum Secured MasterCard is a great choice if you're building credit. Your credit limit is secured by a refundable security deposit, and you'll get all the great benefits of a Platinum Rewards MasterCard. So look, you can earn 1 reward point for every dollar you spend on the Platinum Secured MasterCard. There's no limit to the number of points you can earn, and they never expire. Redeem points for travel, merchandise, gift cards, and more. And look, you also get to enjoy no annual fee, no balance transfer fees, and no cash advance fees. This is a great way to start a relationship if you have trouble with your credit with the secured MasterCard. All right, next, if you're dealing with high interest rates, you can transfer your balances and save with the Platinum MasterCard. So if you got balances on other cards, you save money and you pay your balances off faster by transferring them to the First Tech Platinum MasterCard. So this is a great way to save money. All right, up next, we got the Platinum Rewards MasterCard. You can get the benefits of earning 1 reward point for every dollar you spend on the Platinum Rewards MasterCard. You can earn as many as you like. There's no maximum on the points and they never expire. You can redeem the points for travel, merchandise, events, activities, charitable donations, gift cards, and statement credits. You can also earn 10,000 bonus points when you spend at least $2,000 in the first 60 days on your new card. And guess what? No annual fee and no cash advance fees. That's the great thing about this credit union. They're not nickel and diming you with all the fees. Okay, let's get into the super premium cards. We got the Odyssey Rewards World Elite MasterCard. This is a premium rewards card with a package of special travel benefits. So this is the card you want if you travel. Remember, you always want to get a credit card that fits your lifestyle. So if you spend a lot of time in the sky and not at home, this is the card for you. Look, you can receive 30,000 bonus points when you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days. You can earn 3 points for every dollar on travel and hotel purchases. Earn 2 points per dollar spent on dining and earn 1 point per dollar spent on eligible purchases. Look, you got that 0 entry annual fee for the first year. Then after that, $75 thereafter. But these are the cards that you get up to $100,000 for the credit limit. All right, up next, we got the everyday heavy hitter, the Choice Rewards World MasterCard. Now you can get 20,000 bonus points when you spend at least $3,000 in the first 60 days. You can earn 2 points for every dollar spent on gas, grocery, household goods, and more, and earn 1 point per dollar spent on other eligible purchases. And once again, no annual fee. I'll give you guys a bonus in this video. I'm also going to go over their personal loans. Now they have 3 personal loans I want to highlight. They got the fixed rate loan. You can borrow a lump sum up to $50,000 and pay it off at a fixed rate and term. And you can check your rate for a 2-year term in only 30 seconds. And it's a soft pull. All right, next, I'm going to go over the personal line of credit. You can get up to $25,000 cash on demand. Make a payment only when you have a balance. Yes, you can pay it off. You can borrow it again. and pay it off. That's the luxury of having a line of credit. Now, here's the real bonus. For those of you who have stocks, you can do a stock secured loan. Borrow between $25,000 and $1 million to cover vacation costs, fund tech projects, pay medical bills, taxes, or almost anything else you can imagine. So what I love about this credit union, not only anybody can join it, but they have a variety of personal loan products that can actually help you start a business if you wanted to. Now, remember, First Tech only has branches in limited locations, but you can also go to their co-op locations if you needed to go in branch to handle some of your business.
Now let's do a recap. You need to have at least a 720 credit score.
Okay.
And they pull experience.
And look, you can pre-qualify before becoming a member of the credit union. But remember, try to set up a relationship. If you have to, set up a direct deposit and use your debit card to show them you want to build a relationship, because obviously they got good limits.
And Marvin, one of the most important things that we need our money magnets to understand, banking is starting to change and they want that relationship with the customer.
And look, comment below if you have any experience with First Tech Credit Union, so we'll let our other members know.
That's right, Marvin. But let's not forget to like and share this video. So if you don't need it, share this video with someone else that may need help.
And look, we got another secret for you guys. We have a secret global credit union that gives out $50,000 credit cards. So check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.